For decades, the legendary cargo ship remained frozen in silence. For decades, the legendary cargo ship remained frozen in silence. Something enormous was trapped beneath the frozen lake. Recovering the giant ship would require enormous power.
A forgotten giant returned to the surface.
Time and ice had nearly destroyed the vessel.
The impossible recovery had begun.
The lake finally released its frozen prisoner. Now, the real restoration could begin. Beneath the damage, the ship still survived. Inside the ship, time had completely stopped. The giant steel hull needed new life. Layer by layer, the damage disappeared.
Bring it down slowly, hold it right there.
Looks good on this side.
Okay, easy now. Set it down.
The heart of the ship remained silent beneath the rust. The giant engines slowly awakened again. Every broken system needed restoration. Beneath the frozen destruction, the ship still survived. The heart of the ship carried decades of frozen damage.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Holding steady, boss.
The heart of the ship slowly awakened again. The bridge slowly regained its lost glory. The giant steel body needed new strength. Every frozen part slowly returned to life. From frozen destruction to rebirth. Every inch of the giant vessel needed rebuilding. The frozen ship slowly awakened again. Even the smallest details mattered. Inside the ship, time had completely stopped. Years of decay had destroyed every room inside the ship. The forgotten rooms slowly came back to life. The ship slowly regained its forgotten beauty. The heart of the vessel regained its soul. Every room inside the ship deserved a second life. The giant vessel slowly became beautiful again. The dark, frozen rooms glowed once again. The legendary ship looked alive once again. From frozen ruins to timeless luxury. The ship needed protection against time once again. The giant vessel slowly regained its original identity.
the bridge slowly returned to life. Its identity finally returned. The frozen vessel was finally ready to shine again. Its legendary appearance slowly returned. Every layer protected the giant vessel for the future. The giant vessel regained its timeless beauty. Every surface reflected perfection.
The frozen giant looked magnificent again.
The legendary vessel returned to the lake once again. The giant vessel had fully returned to life. The legendary vessel announced its return. After decades of silence, the giant ruled the waters again. The restored vessel looked more beautiful than ever. From frozen destruction to legendary perfection, the legendary vessel looked alive once again. Frozen destruction to legendary perfection. After decades of silence, the giant welcomed life again. The legendary vessel returned to the lake once again. The legend returned to the waters where it once vanished. The giant ship looked more beautiful than ever before. The impossible restoration had become reality. From frozen destruction to timeless legend, the frozen giant had returned to life.